Hello guys, I'm back with another interesting topic. In this video, we'll walk you through the powerful process of creating a joined report in Salesforce. Joined reports allow you to combine multiple data sets, such as opportunities, cases, and leads, into a single report for side-by-side comparison and analysis. This can be a game changer for cross-team visibility and reporting. And when you're done learning how to build a join report, we've got another video coming up that will show you how to reduce your Salesforce license costs while improving reporting performance. That includes details on a new Salesforce program that allows you to earn rebates on your license costs, which you can invest in training and consulting. So be sure to check that out after this, and let's get started. From anywhere in Salesforce, click the Report tab on your navigation bar, then click New Report at the top right corner of the page. Let's begin by selecting Accounts with Opportunities as our base report type. Click Continue to enter the report builder. You'll now be in the default tabular view and click the drop down near the top left labeled Report Type and choose Joined Report. Salesforce will automatically switch to a layout to a multi-block format so you can begin adding different data sets. Click the Add Block button and select another report type, like Cases. This will add a second block of data to your report. Each block is like its own mini report, which you can customize separately. You can repeat this process to add up to 5 blocks. Click into each block to add or remove fields. You can drag fields in from the left-hand panel and group them by common values. For example, grouping both blocks by account name allows you to align data side by side for easier comparison. You can add block level filters to control what data appears in each section. And you can also insert summary fields like totals or averages for quick insights. This is a great way to compare data trends across different objects, such as how many open cases versus opportunities exist for each account. Now, once your layout is ready, click Save and Run in the top right. Enter a report name and select a folder. Click Save and Add, and your new joined report is locked. You can use up to 5 blocks in a joined report. Be aware, joined reports have limited dashboard capability. Use joined reports when you need to bring together multiple objects, like comparing sales and support activity per customer. You've just created a powerful joined report in Salesforce. This report format is a great way to bring multiple departments, data sources, and KPIs into a single view. Now, we've just scratched the surface today, and on the screen and in the description, I've included a link to our Salesforce user training playlist, and I've also included a 5-minute video that will walk you through 3 strategies to improve results and reduce Salesforce license costs. This also includes details about a rebate program that allows you to earn dollars on your Salesforce license costs and use those for additional consulting. So please check out the How to Maximize Salesforce video and spend just a few more minutes of your precious time with us. We promise to help you take Salesforce to a whole nother level in your company. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.